Samsung has been teasing an ultra-foldable phone for a while now, and they finally unveiled the latest in the Galaxy Z series. There's good news and bad news. Bad news, there isn't any Galaxy Z Ultra. Instead, it's the usual Galaxy Z Fold, which is the 7th generation, the Galaxy Z Fold7 with Ultra specification. Good news, there's a new budget Galaxy Z Flip, the Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Let's start with the Galaxy Fold7. It's the thinnest Galaxy foldable ever, measuring just 8.9mm when folded and 4.2mm when unfolded. It's so thin that the USB-C ports barely fit into the frame, and even the buttons are ultra slim. The displays are now larger and wider with a 6.5-inch outer screen and an 8-inch main folding screen. Despite having two screens, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is lighter than the outgoing Galaxy S25 Ultra, weighing in at just 215 grams. This weight saving is thanks to the new Armor Flex hinge and a Grade 4 titanium lattice frame. For durability, it features Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the front display and Corning Gorilla Glass Ceramic 2 back cover. Powering the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy, backed by the same 4400 mAh batteries and 25W wired charge as before. No silicon carbon batteries here. Perhaps Samsung is still cautious about the Galaxy Note 7 incident. Samsung claimed the Z Fold 7 is well optimized for power efficiency, offering all-day battery life on a single charge. I'll need to get my hands on a unit to confirm that's in real-world use. For cameras, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 is the first foldable to feature a 200MP primary sensor paired with a 10MP 3x telephoto and a 12MP ultra-wide. Both the cover and inner display have 10MP front-facing cameras, and it can shoot wider at 100 degrees compared to the previous 85 degrees. Next up, the Galaxy Z Flip 7. It also features larger displays like its Fold sibling, including a brighter 4.1-inch edge-to-edge flex window with a 120Hz refresh rate. The inner folding screen now measures 6.9-inch with a more ergo 21:9 aspect ratio. This time, there's no Snapdragon chip. Instead, Samsung opted for their in-house Samsung Exynos 2500, built on a 3nm process, and also added a 300 mAh battery bump over the previous model. Like the Fold 7, the Flip 7 uses the new Armor Flex hinge, making it thinner and lighter than its predecessor. Camera-wise, it features the same 50MP main sensor, a 12MP ultra-wide, and a 10MP front camera. Finally, the budget-friendly Galaxy Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Think of it as a refined Galaxy Z Flip 6 but powered by the Exynos 2400, the same chips found on the 2-year-old Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus. All three models runs on Samsung's latest One UI 8 based on Android 16 and come with 7 years of major OS upgrades and 7 years of security update, plus the full suite of Galaxy AI. As for pricings and promotion, I have listed them in the description box or in the comment box below. That's all from me on the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, Z Flip 7 and the Z Flip 7 Fan Edition. Thank you for watching, take care and I'll see you at the next one.